Jai Srimannarayana. 68th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tasmadyasya Mahabaho Nigruhitani Sarvasaha Indriyani Indriyardhebhyaha Tasya prajna Pratisthita. Om. Focus your mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is the most auspicious object for your meditation. While constantly thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma and while constantly seeking help and support from Sri Krishna Paramatma, try to control your senses from sense objects in each and every possible way. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall try to control my senses from sense objects while keeping my mind focused on your divine feet and while constantly thinking about you and seeking help and support from you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Mandhata ruling his kingdom while worshipping Sri Mahavishnu through so many yajnas. Dravyam mantro vidhiryajno yajamanaha tadha rutvijaha dharmo deshascha kalascha sarvametat yadatmakam." Mandhata perceives Srimannarayana as the things that are used in yajnam. Mantram is Srimannarayana. The procedure is Srimannarayana. Yajnam is Srimannarayana. The master of Yajnam is Srimannarayana. The priests or Srimannarayana. Dharmam, the time, the place, the country, everything is Srimannarayana. That is how Mandhata started perceiving, visualizing Srimannarayana in so many forms and ruling his kingdom with all righteousness. That is why yavat surya udeti sma yavatcha pratitishthati tat sarvam mandhatuhu kshetramuchyate. Those days, the people used to say that wherever the Surya Rasmi, the sun rays goes, all that belongs to Mandhata. Mandhata has 3 sons, Purukutsa, Ambarisha, Muchukunda. And he has 50 daughters. Those 50 daughters asked Saubhari as their husband. The Saubhari story is so miraculous. One of those days, Saubhari went into Yamuna river, drowned in there, started doing tapasya. At that time, Saubhari has seen the family of fish. Then immediately he started feeling that I too should have one family. Like that, when he felt, in order to fulfill his wish, he went to the king Mandhata and asked, can you please give one daughter from your 50 daughters? Then Mandhata says, sure, definitely, whoever wants you as their husband, I shall definitely give my daughter to you, that daughter to you. Like that, Mandhata gave a word to Saubhari. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 68th sloka. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigruhitani sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyaha tasya prajna pratisthita. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigruhitani sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyaha tasya prajna pratisthita. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.